Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option, wherein you can just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Saving your project in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple process, depending on if you're using the Windows or Mac. All right, all you have to do is go to the file section on the top left corner. All right, there should be an option that says save, which is pressing the Control plus S. Save as Control plus Shift or Control plus Command on Mac plus S, and save a copy, which is Control plus Alt plus S. So we're going to click the Save As. What will happen is you would be forwarded to a specific folder that you can save your project. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this. I'm going to click on Save. All right. And of course, it would ask you if you want to replace the existing file, which is I'm going to do right now. Click on Save. All right. So the next is going to be saving a copy right here. If you want to click the copy section right here, you can do that as well. The third one is going to be save all, which is going to save all of this project here. It's very easy, really. Now, the last part is I want you to click the edit button, go to the preferences, click the autosave. Why it's important? Because if you don't want to click the save button from time and time again, all you're gonna do is click the auto save. Now, you can automatically save your projects within, specific minutes. For example, I'm gonna be putting in 69 minutes, and the maximum project versions of 69. You can also have an option to save up a project to the Creative Cloud and click the auto save. Also saves the current project. So you have like a kind of a backup here. Now, if you click on OK, this will ensure your project and exports are properly saved within the settings. Now, the last part that I'm going to show you is kind of really easy. It's not saving technically, but it's more of exporting, which we have covered in a separate video. If you go to the file section and click the export button and click the media, or press the Control plus M or Command plus M shortcut, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the section wherein you can save the file in different formats, an MP4, an MP3, and a lot more. All right, so basically that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.